So the iOS 18.3 is finally here for the iPhones, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your iPhone 16, 16 Pro or whatever iPhone you got to the latest iOS 18.3. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, because sometimes these software packages can be huge in size. So the very first thing you have to do is go to the settings. After that, scroll down, go to the general, just tap on that. After that, you will find an option called software update. Just tap on this, and then your iPhone will start checking whether any software update is available for your device or not. And here you can see that the iOS 18.3 is available for my iPhone 16. You can have a look on the description of the software update to get the idea what new features this software update is going to bring to your iPhone, or you can click the link showing here to get even better and in-depth information. So now all you have to do is tap on the Update Now button to download the software package on your iPhone. If you want, you can also tap on the Update Tonight if you would like to download and install the software package on your device overnight. Once you tap on Update Now, it might ask you to enter your lock screen pin, so just type it, and after that you can see that it is showing that the iOS 18.3 update is requested for my iPhone 16. Now the downloading of the software package is started. Depending on the internet speed you got, it might take some time. Once the downloading of the software package is completed, it will start preparing the update for your device. And once the preparing update phase is over, it will pop up this message that your device is going to be restarted in the next few seconds. There will be a countdown timer. You can tap on install now to skip this timer, or if you would like to install the software package later on your device, then you can tap on later as well. If you do nothing, your device will restart by itself, and once the rebooting process is completed, the iOS 18.3 will be installed on your iPhone. So now my device is rebooted, and as you can see, it is showing me the welcome message here. So if I just unlock my iPhone 16 here, then you can see it is showing me the message that the software update is completed and my device is updated to iOS 18.3. It is also asking me to set up the Siri that I haven't done on this device so far. I'm just going to tap on setup later, and once again you can see it is showing me the welcome to iPhone message. So now if I go to the settings once again, then go to the general, then the about section, and then to the iOS version, you can see that my device is running on iOS 18.3. And if I go back from here to the software update section, you can see there is no software update available anymore for my device. So this is how you can update any of your iPhone to the iOS 18.3 to get the latest features and bug fixes for your device. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.